I want to teach you how to create a positive first sexual experience. In our sex therapy world, we call this the sexual debut, which is a change from losing your virginity, which kind of sounds like a deficit sort of thing. So I'm teaching you how to create a wonderful sexual debut. I have arrived. But first, let me introduce myself. I'm Angela Skurtu. I help couples who are best friends take their relationship from the friend zone to the sexy zone by normalizing conversations about sex. And you can join my newsletter at openbedroomdoors.com and submit a contact form. Okay, let's get right into it. Your sexual debut. You have arrived. You're sexually ready to combust. I don't know. You are. But I've heard so many horrible origin stories for people's first sexual experiences. So that's really where this video is coming from. The origin stories can be, I was drinking and I wasn't paying attention, like I was numb to the experience. I don't even remember it. I've had people where they never even talk to their partner. There are situations where it's even more painful than it needs to be because they don't realize that you can build into the experience. And so how to have a great first sexual experience is to, one, talk. It's part of what I do. I want to normalize conversations about sex. So start by talking to your partner and saying, hey, I'm having my first experience with you. I'm making my sexual debut, and I want it to be a good experience. And this is the thing. If you are met with a partner who says, you know what, I want you to have a good experience. What can we do to make it a positive first experience? That's the partner you want to have the first experience with. I want you to hear that. That is a green flag person. If that person is like, I don't want to, whatever, that's weird or that's awkward, that could be in the yellow red flag category because you don't want to give your first experience away to somebody who doesn't want to create a positive first experience for you. Please, I want you thinking about who you're giving it to as well, or who you're using that experience with, because not everybody deserves your time. With that being said, somebody who talks with you, somebody who is going to have the conversation, and you guys as a team come up with what ways can we do this? Maybe, and it doesn't have to be big stuff. It can be, well, maybe we kiss each other, maybe we do a massage, maybe we put up pillows. So there's different positions that can make it a little nicer and easier. It doesn't have to be painful. You don't have to tear or bleed. I want you to know that's a myth. Not everybody bleeds or tears, and you don't have to. And sometimes that's happening because people are having rough first experiences sexually with penetration. Obviously, I'm talking about penetration here, right? Let's put that right out on the table. So making it slow, doing a lot to build and warm the body, doing oral sex is a part of it, warming up and kissing the clitoris and the vulva, kissing the penis, making sure that it's a loving and gentle first experience, talking about how you want to hold each other and be held. I want you to talk and clarify this is what will make it a positive experience. And then you also need to talk about aftercare too, because it's your first experience. And aftercare can be, we cuddle, we talk, we check in, we rub each other's hair, we look in each other's eyes, but I want you to talk about it directly to your partner of this will make me feel loved, valued after this, or just respected. And you have a choice in all of that, in the entire experience. And if you have a green flag person, then they will talk to you and work with you to make it a good and positive experience. And listen to you when you say, hey, let's go slow, when penetration first does occur. Or maybe that you just do a little penetration, but then you stop and you just hold each other and cuddle. That can be that literally could be your first experience where the penis is inside you if you're the person who's going to be penetrated, and you just cuddle and you get used to that sensation. That's an option. I just want you to know that the way people are having their sexual debut and handling virginity is so harmful. And I've heard so many horrible stories. I just don't want that to happen to you. It doesn't have to. It doesn't have to look that way. And you all deserve better. When it is a good start, it is a good start for everyone. And it starts you for a relationship of sexual success in the future. And that's what I want for you, for all of you. If you want to learn more, because I have so much to teach you, please check out my book, From Fuck No to Fuck Yes Sex. It is available on Amazon now, and it talks about how to create mentally a healthy space for sex. But also, please like and subscribe. Please submit comments below about ways that you think would be good to create a first sexual experience or sexual debut. And then finally, I am Angela Skurtu, and I open bedroom doors.